Hi everyone, today we're going to be playing a Metamon Island game. So let's get into it. First, you are going to have to log in with MetaMask. Or you can use Wallet Connect to log in on a device. After you connect it, it will ask you to sign in. And in the game, you need to have a Metamon to play and you need to have Eureka. I've got 1 diamond and 4 potions from smashing open eggs, and this is the Eureka here. So first you go on here, then you click on deposit Eureka. It depends. Now they fix it so that every Metamon has 20 energy and it needs to use 10 Eureka every time it plays. So I've got 40 Metamons, so I'm going to deposit in 2,800. You shouldn't try to deposit all of your cash at once, or else it can get really annoying and it can get jammed. So now let's click on exchange. Do you want to swap? Sometimes you might have to do this a few times. It's got a fee, which is down here, not much. This is how much BNB you have, I think. So you click on confirm and waiting. Sometimes it does not let you do it. I mostly recommend doing this somewhere near 8 o'clock or 7 o'clock. Sometimes it makes you have to confirm twice, which is not enough, which is very annoying actually. Okay, when you finish, it's going to say exchange successful and have this little tiny screen here. So now that you've got it, it should show up there. I've got 14. You need potions to upgrade it once the EXP bar is full. And I will begin by demonstrating you to play one of my most favorite Metamon, the Spirit. This one is an ice cream cone squid-shaped spirit. It's got 2 tiny legs and some hands, and it's got really cool and fancy sunglasses. So let's get into it. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. I did have this chart. So 1 Metamon equals 200 Eureka to play, and it's got 20 energy. The Eureka formula, to know how much Eureka you need, you have to do how much Metamon you have times 20 times 10, and that's how you get as much Eureka as you need. So you don't have to waste any. Okay, so let's get back into it with the beginner battlefield. From level 1 to 20, there's no level 0. You have to play in the beginner. 21 to 40 here, you play in the intermediate, and 41 to 60, you can play in the advanced battlefield. I've heard some rumors that if you get to level 60, you can get some USM tokens, but I don't think that's true. Also, you can open eggs to get USM tokens. So you go to the beginner battlefield, waiting. Choose the one that you think looks the least smart or has the lowest power. The average power you should do is about 311 to 318. Anything lower or higher than that, you've got a really bad chance of winning. So I'm just going to play this old guy, 160256. Playing. Now let's see who's gonna win. They upgraded it there. Ooh, 1-shot KO! You get Metamon fragments to make eggs. 1,000 fragments equal 1 egg. Sometimes you can have leftover fragments. Depends on the level of your Metamon to get the fragments that you need. If you win, you get 5 EXP. If you lose, you only get 3. Okay. They switched it. Now I've got to find it. So there. I'm just going to show you what happens when you lose. Keep on playing again. If you are a person who wants to get some money, then just don't click on random. But here you go, free XP and 30 Metamon fragments for a really high level. Okay, this energy, when you get to 0, you can't play anymore. But let's go back. You see how I used some Eureka? First, you go into your backpack when you get to 1000, like it says here, you can mint a new Metamon egg. How to find his end of battle reward. So I'm gonna make an egg and I'll crack one open maybe. Speeding up, speeding up, speeding up. Just don't try and play the one that you lost again twice, as it gives you a higher losing chance. Exactly. So now go back. Yep, I can make one egg. There. So now you have it. This egg is an NFT. You can take it out and put it on the store to sell it. Try and look at the price of the other eggs and guess. Don't do it too low or too high. And to get Uraka, 1 real Raka equals 1 Uraka. You can mint one from 1000 Metamon fragments to buy. When you open one, now you can get some really cool stuff like Raka Punk, potions and USM token, a concert ticket, or MPB box, Metric Plus box. So I'm just going to go to here as I have this other chart somewhere in here. There. Just go into here and paste it. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so you see, 1 free potions you get is a 44.3965 chance, and USM tokens 44.4444. It doesn't have an official number yet. The MPB box is not very much, but it's really, really, really expensive to buy one. Purple diamonds and yellow diamonds are useless if you don't have a super rare, rare, or super rare Metamon, which I'll cover later. And your concert tickets here. When you go into it, you should go not in Pokerland, but I added a bookmark of the real NFT market, which is this place. Don't connect to the places that you don't trust. So here are some Metamons, you can buy them. The Metamon price is going up after a few problems yesterday, I guess. If you have enough money, try and buy a rare, super rare, or super rare, or super rare Metamon, but they need more expensive stuff to level up, so you should just start with a normal Metamon. Also, if it's a super rare, or not rare Metamon, you can still beat them using a normal one, but it's got a really unlikely chance. So first, to get a really good one, you just click on lowest total price and you'll find some really cheap ones. Look at the ones you want and you can check them. You can just look at this one perhaps and see. Its score is there. If its score is this low, I do not recommend buying it, but you can if you want. The 3 things that you should check, the 3 or 4 things that you should check is this. These are the 4 things that you should check. A really small size is really bad. Very little wisdom, I can make it weaker. Little courage makes it a steady cat, and luck that gives you a better chance of winning. Let's just get rid of this and go back here. Now every time you finish playing, you can just go here, click this and log out. So that's it for today folks. Hope you enjoyed it, the Metamon Island tutorial.